Finding quality home care for loved ones is a time of high anxiety for many. Today on Designing Spaces, we're meeting with HomeWell Care franchise owner Ronnie Taylor and HomeWell Senior Vice President Michelle Cohn, who help us navigate the tangle of available options and avoid all that anxiety.
Wonderful to see you. Ronnie, tell me a little bit more about the Millers.
Well, Phyllis, Zaid's mother, fell a few weeks ago and is coming out of the rehab center. Zaid's got to work and doesn't live in town, and so we're going to go over there and find a solution for their home care.
HomeWell offers a range of services for both young and old alike. So when looking for non-medical care like companionship, meal preparation, and driving, as well as more serious concerns like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and hip replacements, HomeWell has both the experience and capability to lend that helping hand.
What's so great about our services is there are minor suggestions and recommendations that you can make in order to help her continue to live, to age in place home safely.
And so we're going to go over there and develop one of our custom care plans. We're going to find a caregiver that can do the things that Phyllis needs to make her happy and recover at home.
Absolutely. And I think that that's what these assessments are so good for, is you can sit down with the family, with the client, develop a care plan, and what can we do to help you be successful in achieving those goals. So I'm excited for the assessment today.
Well, speaking of assessments, I better get on my way.
Good luck.
Take care.
You too.
Today, Ronnie is driving to the home of Phyllis and Zaid Miller. Phyllis recently fell, and Zaid would like to explore home care options as she lives far from her mother. Competent and compassionate care are her primary concerns.
All right. Looking forward to meeting her. Thanks for calling us. Tell me what's going on.
Well, obviously you can see how I'm sitting down, and getting up is even worse. But I came to the conclusion that I do definitely need some help.
I have that concern and the fact that I live,
Too far away.
A plane ride, right? That's what I heard. Yeah, and so my goal today is to learn as much about you, your day, and what you want it to look like.
I cannot be put on a schedule by somebody who doesn't even live here.
No, I get that, Mom. I get that. I understand that, and I don't want to control you.
We do national background checks on everyone that works at HomeWell. We also drug screen all of our caregivers.
And that's,
right?
I have so many concerns, and it's
Absolutely.
not that I'm telling you
What?
what to do, but that's another concern too,
What?
that you take a lot of medication.
I take 4 pills. Well,
So-
maybe 5. What I need is somebody to be here with me. It gets lonely. I would rather have somebody come in that could be, they're almost like a friend, you know, that shows care. It's a very emotional thing when you have to admit to yourself that you need help.
So let's talk about toilet safety for a second. It's not something we often think about, but much like you're both sitting in a low couch, right? If your commode is too low and you can't get up, and you've ever heard the phrase, I'm stuck on the toilet, you're really stuck on the toilet. That's part of HomeWell's free assessment, is we'll look around at things that could be hazardous that you may not think about.
I'm feeling better already.
Part of the HomeWell promise is a deep and thorough exploration of a client's life and lifestyle.
And talk to me about bathing. How often do you take a shower or a bath?
I try to take a shower every other day because I don't like to wash my hair all the time.
Phyllis, I understand that you're concerned about someone seeing you naked. Let's do this. Let's have our caregiver stand outside the door, and if you need them, you just speak up, and so she can come in here and help you. Does that sound like a good plan?
I would like that.
But you're able to get dressed.
I would love to have somebody help me do that.
Say if someone's standing next to you, they can help.
I would
Put your
love
pants
that.
on.
Kitchen and bathrooms are the 2 danger places.
Absolutely. That's
Right.
where most accidents occur. We can unload the dishwasher, take out the trash, do those things that might cause a fall.
I just feel so much better. You've answered more questions than I could ever think
Well,
of.
I appreciate all the information you've given me today. Based on what you're telling me is that, you need someone every day. That's what I'm getting out of what you and I discussed. My goal now is to go back, put the custom care plan together, call you back, and make sure that I've covered all the things that you want covered today.
And thank God that there is a company like yours that I can feel safe with and trust.
How did I get so lucky?
Kindness, compassion, and confidence. At HomeWell, we care.